Right, let's get these nuggets out then. Where's that bowl? Got the dough in my soul. Watch this. What? That needs to soak. It's not coming clean. I better go and get that other bowl, Jazz. Are you coming or staying? Come then. It's up to you.
I'm going to stay.
Yeah.
At home now.
Yeah, watch that phone.
I'm staying in the room.
Alright.
I'm going with you.
Oh. You can't, no. You'll have to stay till I get a bowl at least. No. Stay here until I get a bowl at least, please. Be helpful. It'd be a big help if you did that. Need to find that card.
Get the ball?
No. How about no?
When they come back, can I have the
How
card
about
to
I've
get
lost
in?
my fucking card, I think. What?
When you come back,
What? When I come back, what?
can I have the card so I want to stay in the room?
Yes, yes, yes. Just be quiet.
Bye-bye.
See ya. Tender kiss. There's some workman geezer just come in, putting his food in the microwave. We were in there yesterday and we did it as well. Cheeky, isn't it? Make yourself at home, why don't you? Gosh. Just got to get this bowl. Someone's dropped some paperwork.
Yeah.
And if it goes outside, that's her.
Oh, just get this bowl and go back. Oh, here it is, love. Where all good people keep their bowls by the door. Oh, just pick it up. Right. Oh, I can never get out of this door. I'm out. There. Let me just put that there. So I can put that in the pocket. And I won't lose it. Oh, there. Oh. Oh,
Yeah, and she was clean.
You
Yeah.
clean the carpet.
Yeah.
You
And
good,
still,
John? You good?
no, I still dirty now. I stay now because the things like I have to clean now.
I struggle to get out of door side. Oh, let's hope that workman's heated his food up and popped off. Let's go and have a look. Because I want to use the microwave. Let's go and see if he's gone. Let's have a look. What's playing? Can't hear from it. Oh no, he's still there. Oh, the worst Erasure song in the world. I should know them all. Oh, switch this off. Right, I'm back. Wash this bowl out, yeah? And then you can have the chicken nuggets. That'll do. That's much better. They're still hot. Bollocks. Right, let's wash this bowl out, yeah? Has he gone? Has he gone? Has he gone? Has he gone? Discussing the washing machine they were upstairs, the star.